Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkulisi Wakho. Ngicela bafowethu ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Baningi kakhulu enibukelayo kodwa nisubscribe, unlike. Ngabe ipage ngabe sinawo 100,000 subscribers abantu abangaka basibukelayo, but asingenene endabeni zanamhlanje bafowethu. Mihlali Mayambela une-unfinished business ne-Kaizer Chiefs, bakhuluma naye laphana nge-transfer window. But i-team yakhe yafuna imali eningi kakhulu. I-Kaizer Chiefs yathi yona ngeke ikhiphe i-15 million rands bokuyi-price tag i-team yase-Cyprus ebeyifuna ngalo mdlalo lo. Naye umdlali u-interested ukuthi angajoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs because Kaizer Chiefs i-favorite team yakhe vele naye mekhuluma. uMayambela laphana omncane noma ngithi uMihlali Mayambela udlala laphana eCyprus. Why ngithi i-deal esingayibheka lena even if ayenzeki but-ke khona i-possibility ukuthi yenzeke. I-Kaizer Chiefs ine-unfinished business nomfana. Banama-conversation yena ne-sporting director se-Kaizer Chiefs, uze yena waconfirm ukuthi hayi bakhuluma ne-sporting director, uyabona ukuthi khona into abayibhildayo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs e-strong e-formidable, kusho ukuthi naye umfana ngaba interested ukuthi ajoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs. So but i-Kaizer Chiefs yabona kahle ukuthi okay le mali le abayifunayo inkulu kakhulu, noma ngithi iningi ngoba i-contract yomfana iyaphela 2026. Mayiphela isizini le Kaizer Chiefs yathi ayizolinda yona ibone ukuthi maybe izomsayina 2026 mahhala. Yabona uma ingamsayina ngoJanuary izomsayina nge-pre-contract. Bake bayenza lento le ngo-D-Clock laphana ku-SuperSport United, bake bayenza ngoSithebe. Kaizer Chiefs ngama-pre-contract ihlakaniphile because of i-offer abafana nakho baheha ngalento le ku-Kaizer Chiefs. They give you a big contract, they give you a big signing on fee. Bazokunika i-contract asithi ya 250,000 rands, mara bakunike i-signing on fee ye 5 million. Sebakunika nje 5 million for a fact ukuthi abayikhiphanga le 15 million bebayifuna, or bavele bakuthi na i 3 million signing on fee, umfana uzoyijabulela leyo mali leyo ayithathe, but i-contract yahola ngenyanga lese 250,000 nje kuphela, right? Yeah, let's wait and see sibone ukuthi le deal izokwenzeka. No uMayambela-ke bafethu lapha ithimini yakhe is highly influential. Mawubheka ama-record wakhe, I went through ama-stats wakhe ngawabona ukuthi okay, it's not that super impressive, but-ke cause of une-versatility. Udlala ku-right wing as a second striker, center forward, left wing, udlala kuma-position amaningi umfana. Laphana kule team ayidlalelayo so far udlale ama-match awu-115, wakora amagoli awu-17, washaya nama-assist awu-15. Sikhumbule ukuthi isikhathi esiningi udlala as a-winger, so i-contribution yakhe ibaluleke kakhulu, i-important bafowethu. So i-Cyprus, I don't think i-Cyprus i-competitive league serious ngaleyo ndlela, but I've seen ama-teams, umani uDavid Luiz lo wase-Brazil, legendary footballer, defender, belikora amagoli nama-free kick nalo silidlala khona. Akhona ama-team a-investor serious alithi ama-footballers wase-Brazil. So yeah, but umfana mawumbheka udlale ePortugal, wadlala eSweden, wadlala what is this country? Israel. So uhambile ama-country amaningi, udlale kuma-team a-different, udlale kuma-league a-different. Laphana masingabala ama-team already awadlalelile bafowethu, sikhuluma ngaboma-8 teams, if not plus 8 teams awadlalelile. Is just 20, is 29. Yeah, is 29. Kusho ukuthi akahlali isikhathi esiningi, noma ukuthi wahamba early la eSouth Africa, mhlampe-ke that's the case. But yeah, this is a transfer singayibheka bafethu engenzeka. If khona i-transfer ene-chance yiyo le bafethu engenzeka. But masibheka i-record la, even udlalile ku-UEFA, i-Europa League. So i-second tier of UEFA Europa, yes, udlalile, and then udlalile na ku-UEFA Conference League. Yeah, udlalile ku-second division ePortugal, udlalile second division eSweden, udlalile manje njengoba se-Cyprus, then Israel nakhona njengoba bengishilo bafowethu ukuthi udlalile nakhona. So umdlalo one-experience kakhulu ku-European football, but it's not proven ebholeni lase-South Africa, because mina mangimbheka ngimbukela kubafana I'm not convinced. Kubafana useyadlala ama-match ayi-16, unamagoli awu-2, but mangimbukela umfethu I'm not sold ukuthi hayi ngathi yabona-ke this guy is a player. And le team le imprize 15 million. Phela uMayambela bafethu akaze athengiswa lapha nePortugal, akaze athengiswa bafethu, akaze ngempela, cause mefika okay lapha ne-Europe bamthola mahhala labantu lapha. Nakhona le team leya imsayinile yasePortugal bebaloke bamlona, bekuwama-loan after loan. I-team eke yamthenga enye yasePortugal ngo-2019, futhi nakhona yamthenga ngaboma 1 point something million, 1 million but-ke bona manje 2025 bamthole mahhala bafuna 15 million but bane-right anyway because of bane-contract naye but bazomluza mahhala unless ngoJanuwari bazoyekela i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi imsayine ngemali encane. I-Kaizer Chiefs noma ingasubmit-a 2 million nyana kunokuthi bamluze mahhala. Sobona but ukuthi conversation yabo ne-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ihambe kanjani, noma ngithi ihambe yahamba yaze yaphelelaphi. Yiyo i-transfer kumele siyibheke bafowethu. If i-Kaizer Chiefs they don't go all out, they might lose out. But umbuzo omkhulu ukuthi bayamdinga now Mayambela. Experience unayo to be fair. But ibhola lase-South Africa bafethu li-different ngenye indlela cause ubani uDino Ndlovu, yes ngikhumbula uDino Ndlovu udlale e-Europe kakhulu, wadlala boma-China, wadlala kuphi. Ngiyakhumbula ku-Bloemfontein Celtic ebuyile la e-South Africa zange hayi South Africa kunzima. Umuntu uvela aphenduka inkomo-ke ebholeni lase-South Africa kanti le Europe bekayi-star. Ubani elinye iplace engalikhumbula bafowethu belishaya nale Europe malibuye e-South Africa kwavele kwaphela. Baningi esingababala baba yitali ephesheya but-ke la mabebuya siyabona ukuthi hayi no. Or umuntu la ku-P_S_L bekayi-average player but lena ufika abe one of the biggest thing. Ubani Munetsi, right, the Zimbabwean defender, or manje sekayi-midfielder. Sakhumbula uPirates bayadlala ezi-defender or i-midfielder, sekayi-midfielder laphana ku-Wolves, sekadlala ku-English Premier League. Orlando Pirates bekanama-difficult moments wakhe, bekangasiwo umuntu othenjwayo. Teenage Radebe, Ungezana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. There's something about i-PSL inzima. So i-Kaizer Chiefs i-right nayo ukuthi ingakhiphi 15 million ngomuntu ongakazi proven ku-local football. Ngeke they can get him mahhala. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi yabona lento le ama-pre-contract hayi omaster ngempela labantu laba bafethu akudlalwa. But I think what we can appreciate ngolo ngumfana omncane, okay ngingasho ukuthi umfana omncane kimi ubaba lo muntu loyo. uKaizer is he approaching 50 or so ne? Cause ngangimbukela ngisemncane uKaizer Motaung Junior, ukuthi uMayambela khona into ayishilo bafethu noma wayisho laphana ukuthi ububuilda i-team e-strong, babuilda i-team laphana bafuna ukuthi i-club iperforme, bafuna ukuthi ikwazi ukukhompitha futhi ikwazi ukubuyela lena phezulu esicongweni ikhompithe ku-South African football. So that is why abadlali abaningi ubabona baba interested noma bekhuluma ubani agent la kaMayo lathi abafowethu laphana baya ku-Kaizer Chiefs because of i-project. Mebekhuluma ne-sporting director, what is able to sell, what is able to say to them, yiyo into bafowethu eyenza ukuthi ama-players amaningi eze laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Singakhohlwa ukuthi nama-contract phela makhulu ku-Kaizer Chiefs, udla kamnandi ma ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Nanokuthi-ke you become more than just a player, you become a brand. Kuya ngawo ukuthi you are able to convert being a brand to ukwenza imali, accumulate imali eserious just nge-association yakho ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Hayi uLebohang Phiri umfana wase-Alex lo odlala overseas engeke ngakhuluma ngaye, uyi-free agent naye ulo e-Kaizer Chiefs. Bebathi bayamsayina but-ke ngathi abavumelananga ngey'mali bagcine sebam-ignore umfana. I don't think uzoba i-chance ikhona ukuthi aye ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But la muntu bekazokhompitha nobani noMthetho. Njengoba bafowethu niwazwile ngisho ama-VN abantu abawasendile bafowethu ukuthi batheni, bathe bafuna abaningi abantu bayasho ukuthi uMthetho manje kumele abe ne-competition lapho. Is performing very well for i-Kaizer Chiefs but i-competition uyayidinga. Akekho umuntu emhlabeni ongadlala ku-position yedwa vo bafowethu kuleyo position. Uzokhipha uMthetho, ngeke ngayisho, uzokhipha uMthetho ufake uMahlo wenzani? But yeah man, they've done really well in terms of bringing the players in Naturena. But they look stable, they look dangerous than ever before. They look like a team that would really give any team around the country and the continent a problem. But njengoba bengishilo ukuthi bazoba tested njengoba bazodlala e-Egypt. They are coming back. Kaizer Chiefs, they are coming back. Ey'nsukwini nje bazodlala. Sokunesikhathi madoda bengekho abafana. Ngiyabona online laphana abantu bayabhala ukuthi bayabakhumbula njengoba bewudlala laphana ePeter Mokaba. Sobona ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs izoshape kanjani. Nanokuthi bazoplana kanjani njengoba bezodlala laphana no ways man, no. ePeter Mokaba badlala nge-20 something, 29. The 29 years. And then this week kumele bafly baye e-Egypt. Sengithini man, hey ngilahlekisa abantu phela manje ya. Hey badlala away game manje. And then they would return in few days. Kusho ukuthi nje in the space of 10 days. In fact 6 days badlala ama-match awu-2. Badlala e-Egypt baya le kude and then bayabuya. Oh no. Is it 29 or 28? Lapho nje sobona ukuthi ngoba ama-date waku-CAF bafowethu hayi. Cause abanye bebathe i-Kaizer Chiefs mayiripota okokuqala bethe ngeyi-30 but-ke bashiftile. Sobona ukuthi abafowethu bazodlala kanjani but bawa-confirmile ama-date ukuthi bawa-shifte kanjani. We just have to wait and see. But yeah badlala Saturday ngathi e-Peter Mokaba Stadium neZamalek, which is a big one. La ngithi bazoba tested. Mina what I'm interested to see bafowethu, what I'm anticipating to see ukuthi bazolokhu njani abafowethu, bazodlala kanjani nanokuthi bazodlalisa maphi ama-player abazowabeka phambili lapha in terms of ukubadlalisa because of abakabi ne-first starting 11 obviously bafowethu abasithembayo lapha ne-first starting 11 abazothi okay this is the starting 11 abasithembayo. No basazama lapha no-coach ukuthi bazodlalisa obani. Yeah nayi game man i-confirm 29 November 3 o'clock e-Peter Mokaba Stadium, e-New Peter Mokaba Stadium lapha ePolokwane. Kaizer Chiefs neZamalek yeah. Abafana njengoba behamba baya lena phesheya bona. Hey kuzoba busy-ke this month ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu, kuzoba busy ngempela. I-DDC team yabilene e-UK bona baku-continental level. This is the first time lento le yenze ukuthi i-DDC team yephesheya e-Kaizer Chiefs oNgilandi bona baku-continental level, okuzivezelayo ukuthi this time around i-Kaizer Chiefs iyafuna ukulwa nanokuthi there's something eza nayo Kaizer Motaung Junior. Ngiyazi ukuthi obviously I don't think mina eshiya udinga abantu around yena abazokwazi ukumncedisa ukuthi barane i-team yabo. Angayirani ngoba nje i-team yasekuba phusha yena yedwa kuphela, but udinga nabanye abantu abazoba around yena bazokwazi ukumsiza cause i-Kaizer Chiefs it's a big brand, i-team enkulu. But I think uya-understand i-magnitude of i-Kaizer Chiefs because of ukhulele phambi kwayo lento le ayibona under ubabakhe, wayebona under ubhuti wakhe omunye esadlala. Yena uBobby bekayi-team manager at the time, angithi yena bekasadlala ibhola egqoka number 7 laphana. Unawo lawo magoli-ke ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I think is seen as i-legend naye le-Kaizer Chiefs njengoba manje sekaphethe iy'ntambo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Enye into ukuthi the cool part about ukuthi abe umuntu laphana ophethe ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi uyalazi ibhola, well-understand. Noma nakanawo 50, why ngithi unabo ama-50 something ngoba una-44 ubhuti lapha. Yeah udlalile ku-Kaizer Chiefs, unamagoli futhi like one of the top goal scorers I think ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Angazi ukuthi unumber bani but i-team yakubo I mean bokuyi-must vele ukuthi awashaye amagoli engadlali. Yeah bonakala ngathi i-Kaizer Chiefs ku-right path manje, isendleleni e-right yokuthi ikwazi ukulwa man. I think the most important thing ukulwa nokuletha ama-player right for the first time isikhathini eside bafethu baletha ama-player right ethimini, ama-player abonakalisayo ngempela ukuthi yazini they are there to fight, they are there to win for the team. Ngeke ngasho izolo ukuthi if i-Kaizer Chiefs izo-stand i-chance ukuthi iwin i-league, the most important thing ukumisela kwe-striker, they have to bury their chances. Nabo they have been crying kakhulu indaba yama-opportunities ukuthi they need to take their opportunities to bury those chances. They have no excuse manje, they have to bury the opportunities they get. Before ngiyivala bafowethu, i-Kaizer Chiefs i-development yabo yenza kahle kakhulu. I-DDC team yabo ama-champion, abafana khona baye ku-under 17, uNeo Butloko, is it Sean Els if ngisho kahle igama lakhe, if ngimkhumbula kahle, bayakorile even nalaphana ku-World Cup omunye wa-assista. So i-contribution ye-Kaizer Chiefs kuma-junior ranks uyabona ukuthi important kakhulu. So there's something right abayenzayo laphana kuma-youth, just ukuthi obviously-ke hayi ukuthi bazopromotha lonke iplayer elikhona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke there's something formidable, into enhle kakhulu abayenzayo laphana kuma-junior ranks. Bayakwazi ukudevelopha ama-player, bayakwazi ukuspotha i-good talent. Inkinga i-final transition to i-senior team. Siyazi ukuthi obviously bafethu akukho lula ukuthi ama-player nje avele adlale laphana ku-senior team noma promote-iwe because of i-pressure nanokuthi o-coach aba-understand ukuthi like ukunga-understand nje ukuthi okay ama-player lawa azokwazi ukungi-represent-a as i-coach, azokwazi ukungiwinela, ngcono go for i-experience. Kanti sometimes the young stars will save you. uNeo Butlhogo udlale kahle kakhulu under 17 World Cup. I mean uShaun Els naye udlale kahle kakhulu. And then siye ku-under 20, Mfundo Vilakazi ukhona ku-under 20, uSifiso Timba ukhona, uTakalani bani lu-goalkeeper bekhona naye uTakalani laphana ku-under 20. Ngathi bawu-5 man, why ngibakhohlwa laba abawu-2 abanye, but uyabona ukuthi i-contribution yabo nje kuma-junior ranks we-South Africa, bakhona abafana bayaba-selecta ngobuningi abafana balaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but the transition, that's the king of the problem. So if you are able to develop a world-class super talent, what is wrong with you transitioning the boys from the developing side, the development side to the senior side? Because ngihlezi ngisho lento, it has been proven ukuthi the young stars at Kaizer Chiefs, they are good, they are well equipped ukuthi balwe ku-professional setup. It's just i-transition nokuba-introduce kahle ngesikhathi esi-right, because bayabadedela bagcine bawudlalela kwamanye ama-team. Guess what, maybe befike kulama-team badlale kahle kakhulu. So they have to have ubani uFarouk Khan. Uma ngikhuluma ngoFarouk Khan, ngikhuluma ngomuntu obaluleke kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ne-history yakhona. I mean Kaizer Chiefs ihlezi bafethu inqoba around ama-young stars, you have to build the Kaizer Chiefs influence ama-young stars. Ngikhuluma i-young star, hayi nje elizoduma ukuthi lidlalele i-Kaizer Chiefs, no, umuntu ozoduma from Cape Town to Tzaneen. Why? Because of ama-performance wakhe. I remember seeing well, in fact bengingakamboni nokumbona because I was young, uMbesuma, but guess what, noma kuthiwa unangaki, noma kuthiwa una-5, uzolizwa igama elithi Mbesuma everywhere, uzwe ema-radioweni then because of Mbesuma, njalo la uhamba khona Mbesuma. Bekene-nickname, I think that then Ntofontofo, yabo. So they idolize i-striker saku-Kaizer Chiefs or i-forward la ku-Kaizer Chiefs. And then kune-style sakhona man sokuthi banama-defenders akhulu, a-right, a-aggressive, ana-everything ongayicabanga. And then kunama-attackers ane-flair. So they mustn't let ama-youngsters wabo nje apherishe anyamalale bafowethu. They would rather loan. Okay, khona i-system abaze nayo manje, bathi ngeke basalona ama-player wabo bona, bafuna ukuthi ama-player adlale ku-D_T_C team because of bayabalona abadlali kwamanye ama-team. So labo ongafuni ukuba-promote, you'd rather let them go for free, boshayina kwamanye ama-team, cause sesibonile ukuthi kunamaphutha vele enzakalayo. But yeah, kahle masibheka sesiyi-rapper, banama-youngsters agudi, bonakala ngathi i-sporting director ku-Kaizer Chiefs siyayazi into esiyenzayo in terms of ukusayina ama-player, ukupromote ama-good young stars. Sobona ukuthi ibhalansi uzobhalansa kanjani laphana uKaizer Motaung Junior, nabanye-ke asebenzisana nabo-ke bakwaMtaung, but-ke badinga nabantu abane-experience kakhulu ebholeni abazokwazi they will come from outside and contribute. Danke bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers.